going to put that heat back on. Damn. All right, 15, looks good. Let's get her over a little bit more parallel to the runway. Something like that. Looks good. 14.
23 miles southwest of Boston, next to I-495, at a field elevation of 123 feet, is the Mansfield Municipal Airport. This episode might look familiar to some of my viewers, as it's a remake of a video I uploaded 3 weeks ago. The previous contentious video is currently sidelined for the time being. Enjoy this approach into 1 Bravo 9 over the Norton Reservoir from my perspective in the rear seat. VOR Jeff is at the controls of November 33121 at Piper Archer. It's the day after Christmas, and my stomach is rumbling as we get closer to landing. We're about to enjoy some delicious food at Hangar 12 in Mansfield. Next time I visit Mansfield, maybe I can try some Honeydew Donuts, a regional New England chain. The first shop opened at 221 North Main Street on June 6, 1973.
Good time. Well, let's get some flaps in. So that, okay, 1 notch flaps.
Flaps 10.
Beautiful. I get a little low, I think. I will stay up here.
Yep, 650 feet.
All right, another notch flaps.
Flaps 20.
Mansfield traffic, Archer 1-1, turning final 32 Mansfield. And then now we're just looking for 75 miles an hour, really. We're kind of a little high, but that's okay. Nice. Look at that runway right in front of you, going over this overpass and this highway. Okay, 1 more notch flaps.
Flaps 30.
All right, come in a little hot. All right, just bleed off that speed. We're a little hot. That's okay. Look at all this runway we got. Yay! And then maximum aerodynamic braking. Look at that, we barely used the brake.
I would like to thank Hangar 12 for some great food and a nice atmosphere for today's fly-in lunch. I'll be coming back to try their soon-to-be-released veggie burger. Johanna, the growing boy, and I cleaned our plates as we enjoyed our lunch in Mansfield. Leave a comment below if you have any stories to share about your 1B9 adventures. You are cleared to smash the subscribe button, as it's cold in Connecticut and would really warm my heart.
Parking brakes off. Mansfield traffic, Archer 33121, taking runway 32, we'll be heading to the northwest, Mansfield. All right, full power.
Wow, it feels powerful back here.
We got 40,
Damn.
looking for 60, we got our 60.
Looking for 60.
Start to rotate.
Feel the fat guy, Alex?
Oh, you're fine. Climbing out at 80.
Mansfield traffic, Air 910 Golf Sierra 5 west, inbound, setting up for 45, so left downwind 32.
Okay, Alex, I would keep your heading, because he's kind of sort of, no, I would stay to the right. He's kind of coming right at us. Your runway heading, he's coming right at us.
Mansfield traffic, Archer 33121, we're on the upwind, we're keeping a runway heading for inbound traffic, Mansfield. We got a guy stroll.
Mansfield traffic, Air 910 Golf Sierra, 45, left downwind 32, have the Archer inside, Mansfield.
Mansfield traffic, Archer 33121 is also has traffic inside. We'll be climbing, heading to Southbridge. Have a good landing there, Mansfield. It's red on the traffic.
Yeah.
Oh, that air's coming from the door seal, Alex.
Get some caulk.
You want some heat?
Yeah, why not? I'm fine, though. It's not bad.
Use my coat as a blanket. Warm your footsies.
I'm good.
Southbridge traffic, Archer 33121. We're coming up to 3 miles east of the airport. We'll be overflying at 2,700, continuing westbound, entering the Teardrop for a left downwind for runway 2 Southbridge.
Southbridge traffic, Cherokee 716, turning left crossing, runway 02 Southbridge.
Uh-oh.
Yep, he's turning left cross. All right,
Oh,
Southbridge.
traffic in sight.
Southbridge traffic, Archer 33121. We're now over top of the airfield at 3,000. We'll be heading out about 2 miles for the Teardrop for runway 2 Southbridge.
Southbridge traffic, Cherokee 716, leaving the area to the southeast Southbridge.
There he is. Go to the left.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I got him. God, I'm already getting telemarketers calling me. One day after Christmas. Gee.
All right. 1 mile. One more to go. Dumps check. Electric fuel pumps on, lane lights on. Mixture's full rich. We're on the right tank. Switching to the left tank. We're in the left tank now. That's the fullest tank. 1.1 out. All right, pattern altitude is 1,700.
That is so cool.
Get a good shot.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Look at all that.
traffic 770, uniform 1, left downwind to runway 21 minute man.
Look, it looks like they even, like, snowmobiled across there.
Southbridge traffic, Archer 33121 on the 45, left down for runway 2 Southbridge.
Charter traffic, Husky 90, Hotel Uniform 45, left downwind 36 Gardner.
All right, 1,700 we're looking for. There's our 17. And Southbridge traffic, Archer 33121, left downwind runway 2
Pretty
Southbridge.
decent
55,
picture.
left downwind.
That's cool, isn't it?
36 Gardner.
All right, we're 1.2 out. Slow it down a little bit here. There already be a beam. We're at 1,700. Power going to 17. We're in the white, 1 notch up flaps. Rich, we're on.
Where I soloed out of Southbridge.
Oh.
Southbridge traffic, Archer 33121, turning left base, runway 2 Southbridge.
Gardner traffic, Husky 90, Hotel Uniform, midfield left downwind 36 Gardner.
$1,500. Full flaps. Southbridge traffic, Archer 33121, turning final runway 2 Southbridge.
Southbridge traffic 770, uniform 1, final for runway 21.
Gardner traffic, Husky 90, Hotel Uniform, turning left in 36 Gardner.
good area, very deep.
Back pressure, flaps. Pumps off, picture link.
Gotta love these benign days, huh, Alex, with no wind, no weather.
Pack's quiet.
Nicely done.
Southbridge traffic, Archer 33121, clear runway 2. Southbridge will be taking to the taxiing to the fuel pumps, Southbridge. Alright, fuel pumps off, landing lights off. Lean for ground ops. Johanna, feel free to hit the passenger for making a lot of noise, especially when I gotta focus.
I know, right?
Oh, come
Jeez.
on, you're on the ground.